Did you know? The global semiconductor industry was almost dominated by Taiwan, especially by companies like TSMC. Currently, about 70% of the world's semiconductor manufacturing is concentrated in South Korea, Taiwan, China, the United States, and Japan. But India is changing the game. In 2021, the Government of India launched the Semiconductor Mission to build an indigenous chip ecosystem by then concerned Minister Ashwin Kumar Vaishnav. The goal is to make semiconductors in India, develop display technologies, reduce dependence on other countries, and now, a big milestone. India's first advanced 3D semiconductor packaging unit has been set up in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. This uses advanced glass substrate technology for faster and more powerful chips. The project involves a total investment of around 2,000 crore rupees. The plant is expected to manufacture around 70,000 glass panels annually, along with millions of advanced semiconductor chips. Remember this: earlier Taiwan dominance, now India entering the semiconductor race. This is just the beginning. You have to remember the foundation year of Odisha is 1936 and the Chief Minister of the Odisha is Mohan Charan Majhi and the Governor of the state is Kambampati Hari Babu. This factual information is also useful for your competitive exams.